Hello friends, today we will talk about Seagate slim battery portable storage, which is generally we used for backup, and it is an external hard disk generally which we can use to store. As you all know, this is 1 TB of size. This cost you around 4 to 5,000. It depends from where you are having, and if you are having discount or not. Any kind of discount if you are having, it can cost you little cheaper in any kind of sale. It is easily available online also in e-commerce site like Flipkart, Amazon, and you can have it from the malls and stores also. This particular model is having 3 years of warranty. The specialty of this video is this only, that this battery is the replaced one. That means the battery which we were having before got due to some reason, some error has come to it and it become corrupted. So due to the warranty, because it was in warranty period, we submitted to the center, to Seagate center, and after 1 to 2 weeks they have sent us this replaceable battery. So in this we will see what we are having. We will see. I have opened it and this thing has come from this box, and one booklet is also there, one booklet for all the details related to battery and warranty period details. In this battery you can see it's a quite slim and light-weighted one, the same which we were having before. And this is the USB part they have provided us, and actually we tested it also, it is working properly fine. So they have replaced the old one with the blue one. This USB we used to connect with the laptop. So overall experience of replacement of this hard disk is good only. They have given a good service. If your hard disk Seagate hard disk is under parent, they will give you a good service. That we recommend you to purchase this one in the case of warranty. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.